Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Kia Telluride. And that is running good. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. See that you'd have LED headlight surrounds, and those do not flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. See, it does have alloy wheels. Here's a sneak peek of that leather interior. See that it is the LX. Okay, let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior. There's are the second and third rows, and there's an additional power outlet right there. Okay, and we'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here. I will upload some still photos as well, as I know I go through this fairly quickly. Here's your blind spot monitor. Come over here, you see it has 16,495 miles on it. There's your push to talk, cruise control, and other stereo controls, push button start, and then here are your comfort controls. As you come down, you have another 12 volt and a USB, actually two USB ports right there. Your shifter, and then you do have your key fob right here. Cup holder, and then there's your drive mode selector, your auto on and off, and additional stowage down there. You come up here to your infotainment center. You'll see that you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, that if you were to be running Bluetooth or plug those in, then those would pop up. There's your radio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. There's your Bluetooth. Okay. And if you want to see the backup camera, then you go ahead and put it in reverse. There's the HD backup camera, and then you also have a backup sensor as well. And as you come up above, you're going to have your sunglasses holder and map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for this Telluride on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There were impacts on the driver's side and the door and the passengers as well. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.